शाबाश.
Meaning is well done. Examples. 1. You finished your homework on time. Well done. 2. You scored the highest marks in class. Well done.
कौन जाने.
Meaning is who knows. Examples. 1. Maybe he will come back someday. Who knows? 2. Will it rain tomorrow? Who knows?
अद्भुत.
Is wonderful. Examples. 1. You played the piano so beautifully. Wonderful. 2. The view from the mountain is wonderful.
निश्चित ही.
Meaning is definitely. Examples. 1. Do you like ice cream? Definitely. 2. Are you coming to the party? Definitely.
पक्षी गाते हैं.
Meaning is birds sing. Examples. 1. In the morning, birds sing outside my window. 2. In spring, birds sing sweet songs in the trees.
हिलो मत.
Meaning is don't move. Examples. 1. I'll take your photo. Don't move. 2. There's a snake near you. Don't move.
उसका पीछा करो.
Meaning is follow him. Examples. 1. The guide is going to the museum. Follow him. 2. The coach is going to the field. Follow him.
उसे अंदर भेजो.
Meaning, let him in. Examples. 1. It's too cold outside. Let him in. 2. He is waiting outside. Let him in.
मुझे बाहर जाने दो.
Meaning, so let me out. Examples. 1. The room is locked. Please let me out. 2. The elevator is stuck. Please let me out.
मुझे भूख लगी है.
Meaning is I'm hungry. Examples. 1. After playing football for 2 hours, I'm hungry. 2. I skipped lunch today. I'm hungry.
अगर आप अपनी फैमिली को दिल से प्यार करते हैं तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और आगे बढ़ने से पहले इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.